information was given to them except the bait of 35% in a situation where the government is finding it difficult to disburse the 15%, where the government is debt-laden and had to ask for a moratorium on debt, is continuing with excessive borrowing to meet day-to-day expenses. How much information did the people of Makueni have, and people of Kenya? And did they, for instance, know that the current budget proposals, which started being prepared last October, do not contain the 35%? And therefore, in the coming budget, in spite of the county assemblies having voted for BBI, they will not get the 35%. Therefore, the president, who is proposing and who is entering his final year in June, will not lead his administration to disburse 35%. He is actually creating a problem for the incoming administration, because in the circumstances, it will be next to impossible for 35% of revenue to go to the counties amidst the debts.
Governor Kibwana, what is your take on the issue of